The other thing that's interesting is, some people will think, well, they got a dad involved, why can't they make it? Why do they need this help? And one of the crazy things is that we've crunched the numbers. If you've got a mom and a dad involved in a family and they have minimum wage jobs, you cannot get into housing in our county. Channel 9 ran an article and an email piece recently, and it documents that Central Florida has the worst entry-level housing crisis in the country. And, that's a situation that is really causing this problem, at least exacerbating the problem. So, you got a lot of folks out there who are working. They're trying to make ends meet. But they got to come up with $1,400 for first month rent, plus $1,400 for second month's rent, plus deposits and insurance in order to get into an apartment that's going to house, a family of 5. And that's not going to happen for these folks. They just don't have the ability to generate that type of surplus cash flow.